going to be doing more of a chibi, rounder face to make the person look more young. So getting a lot of feedback on this. It's weird. There's the outline of your head. This area, I'm going to cut it off completely around right there, so I have a line to where the area of my eyebrows would be. So then you have that. And then I'm going to cut it right there. There. And these boxes would be the area of where your eyes would be, so. Kind of bigger eyes to go with the rounder head. So I'm gonna lightly do a little area like that, because that's gonna be around the area where the pupil would be at. I'm not gonna draw a second eye because I'm just gonna cover up with hair. So let's get to the nose. This area where that line intersects your circle, right here would be where your nose is at. So I'm gonna erase that. There's different kinds of noses you can do. You can do a nose like this, or like a shadow of a nose, or a straight line, or maybe even a dot. I'm probably gonna do in between the straight line and the dot because she's looking straight at you. Just a little line right there, as you can see. And then this area right here, right below the circle, would be where your lips are at. So most lips are pretty much a line like that. Even the mouth can be open and a whole bunch of other things. But there's usually this line underneath the line that's kind of curved that signifies that there's lips. So I'm gonna give her a bit of an open mouth so she has that expression. Yeah. Never mind. I'm just gonna do the classical straight line. There we go. It's a very simple face. Let's add some hair. You can do hair however you want. My hair is usually more jagged like, but I do other types of hair. You can erase the guidelines of your face before or after you start doing your hair or anything. It's all up to you. I'm not going to do all of the hair because it gets yeah. There's my hair. let's get to shading the eye. And sorry if the video is a bit wobbly. I'm holding this with I'm doing this with my phone. I'm holding it in my hands pretty much. So let's do a little circle right there. Maybe a little one right here. Kind of like a little sparkle. And you're gonna start shading that line that we made earlier all the way up to the top. So it has one like that. Then you're gonna start shading it out into the corner. So you have that. Then once you get to the corner, you're gonna round out that curve that you made. Then you're gonna slightly shade the bottom. Then you're gonna slightly make the whole thing light gray. And there you go, a very simple face. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. I will be doing more videos later on.